Live Well. I'm Nancy.
And I'm Susan.
And we are excited to be back with our third episode in our holiday series. And this is basically, we're kind of trying to show you how you can cut down some time in the kitchen while still making healthy meals. So we started with our lentil meatless loaf, and then we had our beautiful winter salad. You pick your side. And then today we're going to finish off with the easiest of easy desserts. And so today we have our special guest with us again, Anna with the Pampered Chef. And she's been bringing us different tools and showing us how we can really minimize time doing some chopping and slicing and all those things that we're like, I just don't have time to prep. So make sure you go back and watch the other episodes because we've said it before. I'm going to reiterate it. The simpler you can make it, the more confident you get in the kitchen, the more you're going to get in the kitchen and start making your own things. So today, what do we have today, Susan?
Today we're going to have a delicious vegan avocado silk mousse. I'm so excited. This is going to be delicious, guys.
Yes.
So again, we're going to use the
electric twist and chop.
Electric twist and chop.
Yes.
So to the electric twist and chop, I'm going to try it out here, see if I can. We are going to add 1 cup, we've pre-measured this, 1 cup of tofu.
And this is silken tofu. So
Yes.
if you eat tofu, you know there's a variety of tofu, silken, firm, extra firm. When you're making a pudding or a smoothie, you definitely want the silken tofu because it's softer.
And then we're going to add 1 avocado to it.
It sounds like a crazy mix, but it's so good. This is just the avocado, tons of healthy fats, super creamy. And I'm not an avocado fan, so this is one of those things that's interesting. I do not like to eat avocados. I do not like guacamole. I love avocados in puddings and smoothies.
You just sounded like green eggs and ham.
Well, I'm that weird vegan that I've been in the veg space like 35 years, and I still can't eat avocados, and I still can't eat mushrooms. And you know what everybody wants to give me? Avocados and mushrooms.
Yes. So Anna, what do I push?
There's 2 different. If you want to just have it go,
yes,
this is the one. If you want to pulse it, like if you want it to be chunkier, then you would do that one.
Okay.
So,
well, we're going to want it to go.
Woo! Oh, look how fast that is.
So the reason that it goes so fast, again, is because that blade is going up and down as it goes. So we don't have to keep opening it and pushing things around.
Yeah.
So now we're going to add the melted chocolate.
And it was great. You didn't get a chance to see it while it was blending, but you can see it go up and down and really mix everything together. That's fabulous. And with the melted chocolate, so Susan has a double boiler that she melted the chocolate in, which really makes it come out with a nice consistency. You don't have to add any coconut oil or anything to help it melt, but you can also put it in a microwave. If you do that, you definitely want to add a little bit of coconut oil, or if you don't have either of those, you can put them in a pan with a little coconut oil, but then you must make sure you're watching it.
Yeah, you really have to watch it. That's the beauty of this one because it's got the water all surrounding it, so it's boiling inside and all around it, so the whole inside gets hot, and it melted like in 2 seconds, 2 minutes.
And she didn't have to stand over it. So I've never seen one before. And I'm usually the old, at the pot, but I have to stay there and make sure I'm stirring it the whole time. Okay.
And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup,
Little sweetener.
All right. And then we're going to blend it up.
That's it.
More.
That's all we're doing. Amazing. So we've mixed everything together.
Yeah.
And now, so we're going to show you today, we're just going to pour them in the bowls so you can see, but you pretty much would want to chill this for how long would you say, Susan?
Oh,
at least?
Needs at least 20, 30 minutes.
Okay.
To set up really good.
Yeah.
It still
Even-
got a nice
It is,
thickness
it's pretty,
to it.
pretty nice.
Yeah. So you can see it. I don't know if you can see, but if you, like there, it's very pudding-like, mousse-like.
Looks delicious.
It's delicious. So we have finished blending. We've poured them in. Delicious. But now we're going to add, I don't know if you can see it, but now we're going to add some toppings. What are we going to do?
This is a little cup zester, and so instead of a plain, this actually goes, do you see how they go in a round?
Oh, yeah.
So if you take your orange or your lemon, but we can do the same thing with some chocolate.
Oh, so you're swirling.
Doing it in a little circle.
Oh.
And then there's a little windshield, because you know how they sort of get stuck when you zest on the bottom? of the
Yeah.
thing? There's a little windshield wiper here that goes around, and then it all just saves right there in our cup.
That's
Well,
brilliant.
that is so brilliant.
we
Oh
can-
yeah, and I see the little windshield
Yeah,
wiper
that
right
sort
there.
of drags it right off the bottom.
That is so cool.
Yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to top our puddings. We're going to put a little coconut flakes. We're going to put some berries, and then we're going to put a little of the shaved chocolate. That's what we're going to do when you're making this. Again, like everything, what do you love? Do you want to put some coconut whipped cream on it? Do you want to put some nuts, bananas? Like you could make this however you want. I promise you, this is delicious. And we're going to show you because we're going to taste it for you because that's what we do here. So let's see. We're going to figure out one day how you can actually see this, but we don't have to tilt it. But you can see how pretty this is. And again, Susan has these beautiful festive bowls, but you put a little cream topping on there, whipped coconut cream or cashew cream, whatever you want, like, and make it, and just make it festive, some holiday sprinkles. How pretty would that be? All right, so we're gonna give it a go. Ready, girls? Oh, I'm
I
excited.
want to take a big bite, but I know better.
Oh my gosh,
So smooth.
so
That's
smooth.
really nice.
Creamy.
It's smooth,
Chocolatey.
creamy, chocolatey. It does taste like banana, right?
I
It
think
does.
that's the avocado. It's like a freshness.
Yeah. So absolutely delicious. So you have now a full holiday meal with your own side, whatever else you want. With the what we have in the series, you have new tools. We'll have links, right?
Of course.
She's going to give us links that we'll put in all the episodes below, so you can take a look, shop, whatever you need. Will they be able to reach you?
Absolutely. From that link, they're able to contact me.
And you
as
can
well.
answer any questions for
Yes,
them,
of course.
anything like that. All right.
Anna, thank you so much
Thank
for joining
Thank
us.
you.
guys. I'm so honored. This was really fun. and I
Really
learned a
enjoyed
lot.
Yeah, yay, yay. So to all of you, cheers, happy holidays. Whatever you celebrate, however you celebrate, we wish you the happiest and merriest of seasons.
Yes.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
And thank you for being a part of our Eat Well, Live Well journey.
Yes.
As we wrap up 2024, we're coming back early in 25 to finish off our healthy series, but we appreciate you. And in a moment of gratitude, we appreciate that you are following us, that you are staying with us as we learn and grow, so we can bring you more healthy recipes, more tips and tools, so that you can get confident in the kitchen for great health. All right, cheers. Bye.
Bye.